It don't do it like that. It restarts it. Is it going? Right in there. Oop. Throw that away. Give it to the dog or something. Minced garlic. And this is the rustic basil in a oil. You might have to add some oil or something because deer meat is very dry, for those that don't know about that. So, come over here and add it to the heat and get it cooking. Smells so good. Go ahead and add some salt. And yes, I did wash my hands, y'all. Any extra you can always throw it in the spaghetti, because that gets rinsed off anyway. So. My wife says I'm a messy cook, but I don't know where she gets that from. I'm very particular with them. Right, y'all? So how many minutes we sitting on, huh?
356. You gotta stir that up frequently
For those that, you know, have never done pasta, because it'll stick together on you. That's why you like to put the oil in there. It keeps it the texture more palatable, and the salt gives it some flavor. And the others, you can also, I put other seasonings in it too. I like to season up my pasta. It helps the overall mixture go good. This is going to be a very meaty sauce. Smells so good. Mwah. And I'm not even Italian. And it's got me doing Italian things. So if there's any Italians out there, go ahead and drop a comment and tell me about if it's a common practice to use deer sausage or venison as a meat in your spaghetti sauce. I imagine pork is a major thing, but I'll tell you what, this venison is quite tasty. Maybe next time I'll do up a chili in it. See how that goes. It'll depend on how this video is. So hey, I know we're not nowhere near the end of this video, but if you can slap in a like if you enjoy it, or if you're not, throw in a dislike. And definitely subscribe. It'll help me out tremendously and get me going somewhere in this YouTube venture. And that's what it is. It's a venture. It's gonna be a little ride. We're gonna see how rough the ride is. It's pretty brown now. We'll slap in some tomato. Some red gold diced tomatoes. some sauteed onion garlic sauce. Some mushroom and green pepper.
Should be enough.
Now, I don't need this one no more. Into the sauce, I add some anise. It's a liqueur. It helps take away some of that acidity out of the tomatoes. Ooh. Let's use some more. Onion powder. See, I'm not messy. Bring that to a boil. Oregano. Get a nice coating of that on there. Taste of that. Now what we'll do, sugar. That one sugar. Not a whole lot, just enough to sweeten it up a little bit. Perfect. That is perfect right there. So, that's finished. That's almost finished. I'll drain it, rinse it off, and it will be a meal. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. May you have a wonderful day. Thank you.